I scream.
You scream.
We all scream.
For ice cream! What in the devil are you doing?
Boop, boop your nose.
Boop your nose.
Now we're off to see even more family.
We are heading to my hometown. Got a little hint here. Sioux City, Iowa. My dad has moved back to Iowa. My grandma's there. My uncles, my aunts. And eventually we'll go see my sister and maybe my mom as well.
Maybe. Oh, drama. Will we see Linda? Tune in next time. Well, let's get to it.
Yeah, truck ride.
Iowa. Yeah.
Nasty.
We have made it to Scenic Park Campground. Now comes the fun part. We gotta back her in. Well, that was actually pretty painless. Easy to get in. We're relatively level. So now the kids are gonna get out. They do the blocks and the wheel chocks, while Bill hooks up the power and the water, and then I take care of the truck.
Good day to you.
Hello. It's the weekend. Woo! So I'm off work and we're off on another adventure.
To see the family in Sioux City. Those lucky people get to see me and these guys too.
First stop, my little brother is moving to his dorms at college. Such a weird thing to say. So we're gonna go check out the new dorm. Mom came down from Fort Dodge, so they're moving in. Then we're gonna go see my grandma, these guys' great grandma, and my Aunt Sheila, and just soak up some family time. We also have had the opportunity to visit with my Uncle Lee and his family, and my cousin Lee and his family, as well as my Uncle Chuck and my Aunt Terry. So we've just been soaking it in. I've been working Monday through Friday, so we haven't really done too much around town. But what did you guys get an opportunity to do earlier in the week?
Stay the night at Grandpa's. And we're going again tomorrow.
What'd you do with Grandpa?
We went to a boat museum about Charles Floyd and Lewis and Clark. The sergeant that went with Lewis and Clark. Then we went to Chief War Eagle Monument and saw all 3 states, Iowa, Nebraska, and South Dakota.
Yes, because Sioux City is the tri-state area. It's our anniversary!
12 years!
Can you believe it?
We've done it. We just wrapped up our live, fed the dog, took Bernie out. We did that, not the kids, because they're over at Grandpa's house for the night.
Yes, that's one of the perks of being home, is that we have friends and family here that we can pawn the kids off on. Actually, Grandpa did volunteer to take the kids because it is our anniversary.
So we're going out to a fancier dinner, then we may check out Sioux City's Hard Rock Hotel and Casino.
Yeah, come along with us. It should be fun. Did you guys know that the ice cream capital of the world is right here in the state of Iowa?
That's what they say.
It's true. And we're going to go to LeMars, Iowa to check it out.
LeMars, Iowa is home of the Blue Bunny ice cream plant.
Home of one of my favorite ice creams, Bunny Tracks. Forget all that moose track nonsense. Bunny Tracks is where it's at.
So I finished work early. This guy had dinner waiting for me. The kiddos took care of the dishes and the dog. So now we're gonna drive up to LeMars and have a tasty sweet dessert. Let's go.
Growing up in this area, for sure, Blue Bunny was a staple.
Well, and we, as travelers, have experienced ice cream all over the country. If you're in the West, it's Tillamook. If you're in the South, it's Bluebell. But right here in the Midwest, it is Wells Blue Bunny ice cream.
That's right.
I thought that was pretty cool that they had interactive stuff, like you can choose a pathway of what your daily life is, and it says what kind of ice cream you are.
Ooh, yes. Yeah, based on your likes and dislikes and your activities. Yeah, it tells you what kind of ice cream is perfect for you.
I'm allergic to myself. I got bunny tracks. There's a model, and it was like of the factory and how they made the ice cream, and then you could like choose one of the products and flavors and pretend that you're in the factory.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, does Bella see a career in the future at Wells Blue Bunny?
No.
That'd be cold. How cold did they say that flash freezer goes? Well,
Negative 40 degrees
negative 40 degrees.
for 4 hours.
That's cold. Negative 40. I don't know if we got a shot of the menu, but they got some spectacular sundaes. They had a crazy peanut butter cup sundae and
had
crazy strawberry cheesecake shake that looked like it was dusted with graham cracker crust around the rim. It was crazy.
So many things. Shakes, floats, waffle cones, dipped waffle cones, sundaes. The list goes on and on.
every ice cream you could imagine.
No matter what kind of flavor you enjoy, they have it here at the Wells Blue Bunny Visitor Center. In fact, they even have sorbet and sherbet to choose from too.
Sherbet.
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 No, sherbet. There's no second R. Sorbet and
How
sherbet.
do you say? Sherbet or?
I'm not Ernie, so I'm not saying sherbet. It's sherbet.
I say
Okay,
sherbet.
Bert.
Orange sherbet.
Okay, Bert.
Mm-hmm. But overall, if you are an ice cream lover and you happen to be in the Midwest, you must make a stop to LeMars, Iowa, the ice cream capital of the world.
Ice cream.
You scream
We all scream.
for
ice cream.
Well, this has been Natasha
And Bill.
And Bella. And Will.
with Nursing Our Travel Bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy.
And that's
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice
Matter of
cream.
fact, I got some Blue Bunny tracks at home in the freezer. Let's go eat more ice cream.
Ice cream. Nom 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 nom.
Sugar Rush.
Sugar Crush.
Okay, you're pushing me off the table.
I like sugar. Yeah, sugar. Whoa.